If you thought the compact drone market had hit its peak, think again, because what is coming next is set to completely rewrite the rules of aerial photography. DJI is secretly preparing to drop a device so advanced, so impossibly light, and so packed with industry-shattering tech that rival drone makers are already scrambling for answers. For months, whispers from deep within the supply chain have hinted at a massive leap forward. But the latest leaks reveal something far bigger than a simple incremental upgrade. We are looking at a total reimagining of what a sub-250-gram drone can actually do. If you have been waiting to upgrade your gear or were thinking about buying a drone this year, you need to pause everything and hear this, because the DJI Mini 6 Pro is bringing features that were previously reserved only for multi-$1,000 cinema rigs right into the palm of your hand. The biggest leak centered around the camera system, and what DJI is engineering here is nothing short of a physics-defying miracle. Reports confirm that despite maintaining the ultra-crucial 249-gram weight limit, the Mini 6 Pro is upgrading to a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a dual-native ISO optical pipeline. Up until now, flying a mini drone during night hours or in heavy shade meant dealing with grainy footage and lost shadow detail. This new sensor setup changes the game entirely, allowing dynamic range and low-light performance that rivals high-end professional camera gear. Imagine capturing crisp, noiseless 4K footage at 120 frames per second with true 10-bit D-Log M color depth, giving you endless flexibility in post-production. But that is not all. Leaked internal patents suggest a motorized variable aperture mechanism, letting creators seamlessly control light from f/1.7 to f/11 without constantly swapping mechanical ND filters and changing outdoor environments. To keep up with this incredible optical power plant, the propulsion and flight hardware have undergone a complete aerodynamic redesign. Engineers have crafted whisper-quiet, low-pitch propellers paired with ultra-efficient brushless motors, giving the aircraft an incredible resistance to high-altitude winds while operating at a fraction of the noise profile of its predecessors. You can fly right over scenic viewpoints or urban landscapes without drawing unwanted attention, capturing hyper-realistic footage that feels completely effortless. Furthermore, heat dissipation has been solved using a sleek, micro-vent ventilation system that channels airflow directly through the internal chassis, ensuring the processor never thermal throttles even during long summer flights in intense heat. Speaking of long flights, battery technology has taken a monumental leap forward. DJI is introducing high-density silicon anode battery cells into the Mini series for the first time. This means flight times are reaching an astonishing 45 minutes on the standard Intelligent battery and stretching past 55 minutes with the Extended Plus flight battery. Think about what that means for your workflow. You no longer have to constantly land, swap batteries, and worry about running out of power right as the perfect lighting hits. You get uninterrupted time in the sky to plan your angles, execute complex cinematic maneuvers, and secure the exact shot you envisioned every single time you launch. The intelligence driving this machine is where things get truly mind-blowing. Powered by the next-generation AI flight core, the Mini 6 Pro features a true 360-degree omnidirectional vision system augmented by ultra-compact micro-LiDAR sensors mounted on the top and bottom. This setup creates a real-time 3D spatial map of the environment, identifying thin branches, power lines, and fast-moving obstacles even in complete pitch darkness. The upgraded ActiveTrack 6.0 system uses advanced machine learning models to predict subject trajectory, allowing the drone to autonomously navigate complex environments like dense forests or crowded city streets without ever losing focus on you or missing a frame. Connectivity and signal reliability have also reached an unprecedented milestone with the release of the O4 Plus transmission protocol, delivering ultra-clear, low-latency 1080p live feed directly to your controller from distances up to 25 kilometers away. Interference from signal-heavy urban zones is virtually eliminated. Combined with integrated 4K cellular transmission fallback support, your link stays rock-solid even when flying behind large structural obstructions, creators will fall in love with the redesigned mechanical gimbal, which now offers a full 90-degree true vertical shooting rotation alongside a dynamic pitch range that allows tilt angles up to 80 degrees upward. This means you can frame dramatic towering skyscrapers, mountain peaks, and tall waterfall landscapes with full natural resolution, perfectly tailored for high-engagement vertical platforms without needing to crop or sacrifice image quality. Every single element of this drone has been engineered to deliver ultimate performance without compromise. It effortlessly bridges the gap between casual flight enthusiasts and demanding commercial filmmakers who require uncompromising portability. The official announcement is right around the corner, and once this device hits the shelves, the benchmark for portable aerial technology will be changed forever. Stay tuned as we keep tracking every single update, because the future of flight is finally here and is more powerful than anyone could have imagined.